What's going on, everyone? Today I'm going to show you how to reset the maintenance reminder on a 2022 Santa Cruz. Now the Santa Cruz comes with two different style clusters, okay? If you need the other digital style cluster, you can check on the channel. I have videos on how to do that one also. But on this one, what you're going to do is you're going to hit the menu button and you're going to go scroll over till you get to user settings. You're going to scroll down and you're looking for convenience. Hit enter and then scroll down till you get to service interval, and right here you can adjust it and then you can reset. Okay, go ahead and hit reset. It'll ask you if you want to reset time and distance. Just hit yes. Okay, and the service interval is reset. The oil life is reset. Well, I hope the video was helpful, and if it was, I'd really appreciate it if you liked and subscribed. You guys take care, be safe, and have a great weekend.